You can insert various materials to the whiteboard. For example, insert a picture. It can be zoomed in, zoomed out, and move around like any element on the canvas. You can also insert videos. No matter it's in 4K or 1080p, the videos can be played smoothly. What's more, documents like PPT, PDF, Word, and Excel can be imported to the canvas. You can browse and edit the files and taking notes at the same time. There's a built-in browser allowing user to search for information right away. The searching results like pictures can be imported to the whiteboard simply by long pressing at it.